Now honeymoon, now basically for people where we say they don't marry, and at that moment when they go use stake, go bond together, away from everything where they happen.
Okay.
Or away from family, away from friends. Maybe they use stay shook head together, take date, or say, okay, now like this, we go take move. You
Okay,
get? Yeah.
nice one.
See, sex in the bedroom, in your bedroom, is not the same as sex for hotel room.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, anywhere where you did listening to this voice, we don't balance on top another episode of ChookMouthGeng. Nothing serious.
Just vibe.
Yes, girl. Like that. You know, say me now. I know they walk alone. Every time this guy must just they follow me. They hold my collar. They hold my collar. They hold my hair. They drag me up and down. Anyway, my name now A to the D to the A. Ada. Now my name be that.
And the follow is Papi spending. He got a white man, they follow woman. Look at Ada, shouldn't she be followed? If I said that, why they follow you? I think I need supporting strikers. Because 3 or 4 can handle you. Oh, sorry. Papi spending.
I blame you not. Okay, on top this episode, gay, we carry come. Oh God. They say ladies first, but permit me, I will start with the guy. Yes. How far? Now you go use your own mouth, call you, because if I want to pronounce it, it's like Kanaga.
It is all like Canadian love.
Hey, Kanaga.
Oh my God.
If you want me, guys, just say Kanaga.
Hey, Kanaga. Yeah, very sweet melody or something.
This is the way you talk, like they doing something in my head.
What do you mean?
Is it when you satisfy a woman for bed? You go down
Kanaga. Oh, my name is Kanaga Emmanuel May, but as you already know, Kanaga Junior now be the name people used to know me based on the waka inside Big Brother house. So yeah, me I don't come make I come ChookMouth with the ChookMouthGeng. Not too serious, not just vibes.
Just vibes. I like this one. And of course, the lady in the house, Uzomatic Uzo Ududoba. Welcome.
Thanks a bunch.
That thanks a bunch. Signature. Thanks a bunch. How you doing?
I really overcome they wound me.
Okay. Tea or coffee?
Tea.
If I not choose, now the mistake don't be every time they offer you go say no. If I not
I
choose,
just want water. You know they drink water.
you gonna go they choose. On top of this episode, we get very interesting topic we will discuss. You know, some people they talk say honeymoon now for people who don't marry after the wedding, the man and the woman they'll come carry themselves, go one place, you know, plan and say make we go enjoy, make we go do some kind of grimoire, make we go explore our body, make we go do some certain things, you know, bond.
Dora the Explorer.
Now the question where they on ground be say this honeymoon. Some people they talk say honeymoon. In fact, make I just put on the way I want put on. Share honeymoon supposed to be for people we never knack before. That is, people we never do anything, we never touch like they say, we never knack the knack, we never do the do. We they just did, they say we they wait until after the wedding. Then I'll come know you, you not going to her, you not coming to me. Now the question be that. I'll start with ladies first this time around. Automatic.
What's it they design honeymoon for originally now for people who never, you know, do.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
So newlyweds. So they will just get to have a feel of themselves. We know where they get to when they go say, and he knew her.
And you went into her.
Now for the guy to know the babe and the babe to know the guy in the bedroom.
Okay.
So, and of course, other bonding activities where they go do aside just having sex.
Okay.
Now for them to just get to know themselves really more and bond more than where did they come from. Because see, marriage, no matter even if you spend 20 years together, you're not going to know yourself finish. In a Discovery Channel, on a go they discover new things. The guy go see they shock the babe go see they shock the guy on a daily basis. Oh, I never knew this my partner. I don't know for 20 years we do this kind of thing. So, but you know, we dey start new journey together. Let's bond. Start on a particular level. Make we use and carry ourselves. But that's basically what honeymoon there about.
Okay.
Whether knack or no knack, but most times now for just generally for people where they will believe say they never knack before.
Okay. Nice one. Kanaka.
Me.
You know, need a every day is honeymoon for you. Every day.
Don't be so. Body. But you know be firewood, but no be everything. But for me, man, I just reason say honeymoon. Na for people we be say una don't marry finish, yeah. Now that vacation, we una go use take separate una self from all the crowd. If una dey una go inside that room, go reason say omo, see wetin we use take do our wedding, make we come as one, because una don't na the essence of marriage. Two people go come to be one. You understand? And even for Bible self, now people you know fit to say you want knack when you never marry. We know that one.
Okay.
But society where we dey so.
Why you dey lower your voice?
But knacking not they go on. So for me, man, I just believe say now honeymoon now basically for people where we say they don't marry and at that moment where they go use take go bond together away from everything where they happen.
Okay.
Or away from family, away from friends. May they use take shook head together, take date or say okay, now like this we go take move. You
Okay,
get? Yeah.
nice one.
Why they say shook head?
You say shook.
But seriously, there has to be a shooking. Okay?
Yes, the problem I'm having is,
Yes.
the problem I'm having is that word, honeymoon.
Okay.
Because it means like the guy is honey and the woman is honey, right? Wait till now, not be so.
So they can't go
Not be
moon.
They
HORNY.
can't wait till night for moon. to shine.
Okay.
So they can do honey sun.
Wisdom.
Why you waiting till night?
That's so.
Honey sun, honey afternoon.
Yeah.
You can't get it anywhere. I think I get the point to that. So my problem is actually that honeymoon. Just keep it honey, konji, nakademus, anyone. They say honeymoon now, come down, they get shifts. Okay, time has reached. Hotel reservation. They don't take.
But some people go even the honeymoon, they don't do anything.
I didn't tell you.
Anyway,
But wait, how you say no? Say they need to do anything.
Okay.
I know. We never tell you. She be certified sex relationship coach expert.
You see why I said the director put on
You get why? Director get plans.
Okay, but on a more serious note, we could look at from this angle. A lot of people waiting in relationship these days, they don't do, in fact, everything we be say people they do for marriage. I know say Uzo mentioned say they know person finish. Nah, be like Discovery Channel. But if you take them to a large extent, they don't do if not the knacking or if not the different styles or they don't explore, they don't do a whole lot of things together as in the relationship, sorry, when they never marry. And now they can't decide, say, okay, make we seal this thing, make we put a tag to her, make we do the wedding proper. So people go recognize, say, this one will not just the chop illegal, now we want the chop legal. They can't get married now. They can't decide, say, okay, societal no, make we go for honeymoon. Now the cocoa dear be say, the honeymoon part where all of us don't explain and agree, say, now that vacation we go take us away to go bond and do a lot of all these things. Discuss. The man go say, hey, I don't know, say it's a bit true like that. So you get this up for the you know that kind of thing now. But they don't do everything now.
What's in again? They won't.
What's in the one go they do the honeymoon for? Why the tag? That tag, you don't bless the tag. Now they deceive. You
get the vibe where they come with honeymoon.
Now there they go.
Okay.
There's a vibe that even if you don't do raise your leg, raise to power 100.
That night own go special.
If you don't write the man, raise to power 100, or the man don't raise your leg, raise to power 100. There's something special about honeymoon. It just be like you and your partner pack in a bag, say una they go on vacation. Una if you don't day house or do anything or chop na don't which food na won't chop for outside when I never chop for house when I don't chop together for house, but there's something about living
that location
on your home.
It don't be like say
You move to somewhere else.
Exactly.
You are going to explore. See, sex in the bedroom, in your bedroom, is not the same as sex for hotel room.
Even Kana I got clap.
I got clap.
That's what you do for Nigeria. When you go Paris, in another level.
Thank God.
There's this vibe that comes with when I pack my bag. My partner come out with my partner. Go. It just be like they chop dinner every day with your partner for house. Then today we can say we are going on a dinner date. You dress up because for us maybe they really dress up, but now you they dress up for your guy to see you for another level, your wife to see you for another level. Now come carry yourself, come out from the house, come go chop for maybe for one, but then even if not 3-star hotel, but there's something about that vibe. Say I come out from my
comfort zone.
Raising my leg up, raise to power 100 for house. It's different when I go hang that leg for one vacations.
This is the reason why I have different locations. Sorry.
For me, it don't be like say you know how person wey dey drink garri with salt no go know say e sweet until you use sugar. Shey you understand?
Okay.
So they don't
Enter
dey
and
drink.
drop number.
So you no go know to say okay. Now wetin be the extra spice wey make this garri sweet?
Yeah.
So because there is a tag already, honeymoon, that fantasy don dey your head. Say you won't go, make una go reason different things on different levels. Shey you get? So na just for me, I go call am fantasy because you don't deal with this person, don't they see things. But na that Fanta where you want see.
That
na
Fanta
the
wey you wan
fantasy.
see.
So na extra spice, na wine and honeymoon basically. Na just
okay.
Creating memories, basically, too.
Actually memories.
Memories, because now go
Great
refer
memories.
to them.
Mhm.
Yes, now go make reference to them.
People dey wey say that they go record themselves.
Now go make
They go
reference
film
to them.
that
Yes.
now that moment.
Yeah, they go
because
make
you know
reference
you know
to
if
am.
you do honeymoon 2 times.
So you can't be like, say that honeymoon now where you dey go, you can't erase all those other ones. More like a fresh
So we dey
start.
start, we did a fresh
We just
start.
did the
Tear rubber journey.
Well,
with this.
but spending.
Yeah, but I want to ask this question.
Okay. Yeah.
Since the feeling did different, is it possible that if perhaps you don't deal with person, say you don't deal for a long time, and you know that's what we talk, it happen. See, the person don't tire you to the knack. You know I'm tired of knacking this girl because you don't overdo them. Can the honeymoon period light up and
Ignite
Oh
that thing.
yes, so.
Oh, now what I could do with that?
Oh yes.
You don't tell us
Because
now.
I don't do my brother. I don't do person about it. Don't you sue me?
No, because see, you get the package where the babe go come with for honeymoon.
Okay.
You get the package where the guy go come with for honeymoon. Maybe you don't dey used to seeing her in a particular lingerie. She no go one carry that same lingerie go.
A
honeymoon.
new one.
She go set come. She fit even go do spa.
That's it.
Make she arrange her
well.
body, clean well, wax everything.
No be lie.
This guy go chop fresh.
lie.
That's in chop
Can
me
I
fresh.
get you talk from experience? I dey come to you. So go share that experience.
So the guy too go come with his own levels too.
Yeah.
The guy if he don't prep himself, some of them they go as far as taking so many aphrodisiacs to show the babe say, oh more idea house. He go don't go learn some things. Some they go as far as meeting some coach, some sex coach, say teach me this one, how to do this one. The babe go don't arrange. So they are coming like, I'm coming to finish this guy. I'm coming to finish this babe. He go no say carry person. All the one we don't they do, I go tell and say I carry other things. So if they even a day 2 toys, the babe if he carry toys come. So I seen this one I walk. We won't do here. So beyond sex, they will do other activities. Yeah, we be say they feel no go ever get time again to do them in their 20, 30 something years of marriage.
But I have to ask one question.
No, fire down.
You know, say normally, right? People they always advise, you're not married yet, or maybe perhaps you know won't catch disease, protect yourself while having sex. During honeymoon period, what is the advice on protection?
Protection.
Yes, you go still no. If you wait, hold on, son. You know, say different career and family goals. Those career goals. I want to career. Family goals.
Maybe they never ready to born
I
picking.
don't want born picking just yet. But can the fantasy now make you forget all the old protocol, condomizing?
If they never ready to born picking, they
use
already
pills?
don't know what they go do. Either they go use
Pills?
No, they fit no use pills. Pills for me, pills are long till when condom dey there.
Most people know like
Because
the
condom
whole,
na contraceptive. The problem wey dey there be say most people know they see condom as contraceptive and they believe say na single people dey use condom. That condom is not for married people. Condom na for both single and married people because na contraceptive.
Okay.
Na protection. So why you wan go dey go? Because most times when we swallow pills, we women, when we swallow pills, they mess up our cycle.
Yeah.
Sometimes they make us gain weight. Sometimes they mess up our hormonal imbalance. So they do some things to us.
Okay.
We know they affect the guy. So why not kukuma just wear condom? I go wear my female condom, you wear your male condom. Let's just have this.
That female condom, I don't IB.
With the insert them inside. Yeah.
I'm gonna be
You don't see how.
They say if you ask a question, no go miss road.
You be like glove.
true talk,
You be like vagina glove.
How did they fix them?
But I know so I don't say if they wider and bigger.
Wow.
No be like how you do. You just clap back.
I not you.
Real Nothing a white. Now expressly.
Yeah, but no be she no talk, no be lie she talk because as much as say we want reason say make we dey neglect condom, na actually contraceptive and no be just for single people.
But could not be sweet.
No, there's
Why you talking about your personal experiences?
why you go to see condom no dey sweet? How you dey take the user?
You dey come from personal angle.
This one.
That's the thing.
Are
How
you
do
coming from
use
a
condom?
personal angle?
Because there are ways you can make condom
This
sweet.
has turned to a therapeutic session. Let me express my mind. You guys say, do me.
Express
What
yourself.
happened here? Uzomatic, you not go believe him. I guess even to do oral, it pay to
Yes.
put. Why?
There's a dental dam for oral sex.
Okay.
If that na condom to like
See,
wear
sometimes
around your
now what's
mouth.
the lead to throat
Wait.
throat infection?
No. Wait, you said something about wearing.
Yeah, there's a condom for your mouth. You call it dental dam. So you use it for oral sex.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay, now why? Because one doctor talk say 70% of the research what they do. Anybody wake up with throat infection like techno, say that too much of.
There's
Too
too
much
much
of-
of licking of plates.
Now washing plate and
They
rinsing
cause
and so when you some of those things where you take
Because they be reckless leakers. They just go they leak anything.
Anything
Leak
and
anyhow.
at any time.
Oh, wow.
Licky.
So you get particular things where they supposed leak.
Yeah, you get so you know all the sweets where they this life they leak. Yeah, you get some sweet, like get some kind lollipop. Why no they leak?
Okay.
wow.
I like
Okay.
lollipop, but you
Yeah.
get some lollipop. Why no go
Really
leak?
leak.
So if I want lick lollipop, you go get one. You go need to get if kind of flavor where I like.
Terms and conditions.
Yeah, so the flavor where they come, gas come with safety. So how this guy, I know wetin be in history medically. Where I won't go the licking lollipop. I
Why
go
you
dey-
want to know say
Oh
this
no! So
lollipop-
they medically-
so how we know
medically,
the wrong-
yeah.
So
Yeah,
that's
do
the
you
problem.
understand?
That's
Yeah.
the problem with us because we just want to just shaft anything, do anything. We can. Some of us are just so reckless. We know they responsible sexually.
And conscious.
We know they take our sexual health serious.
Serious.
That's why you see woman wey dey waka for condom for her bag, they look am like say she be who tell you say she be prostitute?
But lubricants code doesn't understand
I
another
dey
message.
waka with condom and lubricants for
safe.
my own bag. If I
All
know
those other
say
pills
I
don't
get appointments, I have my so even if because my guy not be say no be I know they do one night stop. Now my guy but just in case I reach there, you say you no see where you keep am, you lost.
I carry my own
I
cup.
have my own.
Okay.
To avoid stories that touch.
Never to be caught.
Yeah, nah. If I know that there's a possibility that something will go down, as I'm coming to see you, or me
Come
self
my
carry am
own.
for myself as I dey go your house and I want to go and finish you. Or there's condom in my bag.
Another
I don't even carry one.
man's son.
It has to be like
finish
2, 3. So in case you wear one, where you make mistake, go pinch am in
tear.
here. I get one where you go.
So make I just cut you. You mentioned something about flavors.
Yeah.
When you say you like to lick your lollipop with a particular flavor. So I'm gonna talk about these flavors. Waiting be the flavor like strawberries.
I don't break am down for you.
vanilla.
So the flavor got to do with safety.
Okay,
This guy
safety.
they responsible.
Okay,
So if we say we no want go down the route of say make we test ourselves to know whether you get they all right medically. Why I no go just carry my dental dam?
Okay.
If I must blow your trumpet.
Okay.
Anything you want make me go lick your trumpet or blow your trumpet, and I don't know your medical history, then I have to wear my dental dam.
Nice one.
Everybody blow your trumpet.
All this one about this honeymoon topic. Hey, I don't. They try to convince me really say honeymoon. A lot of benefit there inside because I been get the oath to say if you don't do everything,
What's
wey
the
you-
use?
why you dey tag the honeymoon? I mean, I don't try all the guy don't tell you say baby, you don't send that to you as DM. Don't water your mind. Check out this style. You don't practice. Do ready yourself. When you come, I will give am hot. Into don't practice your own. You don't send out some kind spicy and hot this thing, and then in the content, say I go for honeymoon in particular. But anyway, I like the way when I don't take they try to convince me, but not to confuse me. But I never succeed yet. But one more topic, one more question I want to ask, and when the Papitos ask this question, say when man maybe the person don't tire for him partner, and then whether the honeymoon get the ability to change that mindset, which you say if it happen. Now I want to ask, what be the reasons we go make partners tire for each other?
See finish.
Okay.
And ojukokoro.
That
Okay.
one saved this.
Chuking eye outside.
Okay.
See finish.
the
That
third party
that
said
when
no.
see finish you first start.
But this thing they call see finish, I don't hear them before from one I know if you place an but now somebody like you, like a relationship expert, where they talk say, if your partner no see you finish, who won't see you finish? So the person they talk say,
it depend on the context when you drop that line.
oh, the
It
person
go be for this context.
because the person they talk say, partners where they say, you don't see me finish, now you make you they do this thing. It no make sense because your partner now is supposed to actually see you finish.
So this see finish for this context,
Okay.
because you see wetin they make partners drift apart. We be say
Yeah,
they
they
tire.
don't tire for each
You
other.
don't tire. You just look and say, I see this person every day.
Okay.
I know say na like this thing go lie down. I know say some people don't they so predictable. All right, there's no longer that mystery for their relationship. You suppose get small mystery too, even if you don't date 10 years together, 20 years. So that's that laziness, emotional laziness is setting when people don't date. That ain't be the see finish. You no one put in effort again. You wait when you been the razzle this babe, when you won't convince her and say she must be inside the relationship, there were things you did. We make her fall for you. The moment which you be like say the babe don't enter your nets, you stopped.
Okay.
That's see finish. So that's it, because you don't look and say, then when the babe will want try tell you say, bros, I beg, I miss those days that you used to say, what do you have to do all this one? We don't pass all that. You how many couples go see they come out? They know they date themselves again. That's see finish.
Okay.
That's the see finish. You need to keep dating yourself because relationship is work.
Actually.
Is work. Una go need to dey pour into each other every day. It's not once a week or when quarrel. The only time where some people they get one small thing from their partner and when they quarrel, when they want make up
sex. What a banger.
So it's as bad as even for the bedroom too. The way they make love is the same thing. It becomes boring. That's it. The see finish is broad. So how come you self no go, you way hustle babe, you know as you take hustle lamb, keep dating your wife. You as a woman keep dating your husband. You no go just be wife to your husband. You will be a wife, you be a prostitute, you be his mistress.
Concubine?
Oh yeah, you be his concubine.
And
You will be a wife. You be his prostitute. Not everybody. He will be his prostitute. You guys, that's our vibe. You go be
guys
am
get
to
am
your
for
husband. You go be in strip park, strip for a guy. You go be all of these things for him. Himself will be all of that part too for him. So now that small things where they throw, they give him. Now they come out, they see finish something. But many people don't lazy. Even the guy is lazy. The women too go lazy. Okay, you go sabi cook noodles that time with bomb shots. When he still try to make his head hot, all of a sudden,
Do tie rapper.
he go tie rapper.
Dirty rapper for that
You go
matter.
come tie rapper. Because rapper say tying of this rapper. Me, I dey tell people say this rapper thing is it gets swag if you sabi tie am. You get as if he tie rapper in a seductive way. And the guy, you go finish work for him body. You know, you go tie that rapper, you go lose like this.
Very loose.
You can't sprinkle small water.
If you can't gum your body.
No, you need to put that for your
tie,
chest.
without the-
Tie the wrapper for your waist. Now there the bonbon side, now they go splash the water. So the
gum,
thing
gum.
go gum for your bonbon.
As
And
for what I go do?
the wrapper go light. You know, go tie all those kind thick wrapper. Maybe na silk.
Go tie
all
to
time.
veil.
Ada, please, how many yards? You need to sew Ankara today.
No, they long. Na short like
Very
short.
sharp.
Wait,
something.
make the money smaller.
You don't
Not
tie the
expensive.
thing. You understand? You want one small spaghetti where you only people just dey shout inside like this. Remote control no dey fall, but you go dey find am for where e dey.
Hey, God.
Okay.
So this
Get
kind of thing na
there.
wetin you go dey use dey. Some
Spice.
people just dey laid back, especially when children come enter.
Ah.
They hear Papa Shukuma. It's not Papa Shukuma. It's not Papa Shukuma.
I feel chipping something again.
No, chipping everything.
Now, so wetin be how we go put am like the span? Wetin the span? How long it go be?
Before people start to dey
No, the honeymoon. How long is it expected to last?
You know, some people na 2 weeks. Some people they do 1 month.
Okay.
Some people they do 1 week.
Should it?
But I think it's just minimum of a week, 2 weeks, and maximum of whenever the couple want to do
It's
this.
supposed they void of any other activities than just you and your baby, boo and babe.
Yes,
right?
so
So I
it's
can't
go and
attend to
babe.
meals. I can't do anything.
Males, well, it depends on the kind of. Usually, the honeymoon no suppose even allow you to do work. That's the thing. They suppose no say you day honeymoon, so shut down.
PM.
so that you go fit
For this hour, wait, you don't
concentrate.
only
Do not
Tell my
stop.
God now.
So we go fit concentrate, but some people nature of job, they fit dey sneak small.
What they do
too.
small this
But
thing.
that's why you have that honeymoon are just away from work, away from family, away from
Friends.
crowd, everybody.
So you go advise to
Just me
span
and
from like
mine.
2 weeks to
2
1
weeks
month.
is
It
fine.
dey okay.
Yeah, if you won't do 1 month, if you afford the luxury of 1 month, fine.
But 2 weeks is like appropriate.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. With all this plenty wisdom, we don't drop here like this.
I think I want to marry.
Yeah.
But the problem is now I have to marry like 4 or 5.
For why?
And you go do honeymoon for all of
For
them.
each.
For why? What would they tie short wrapper for you?
Oh, boy.
You never go tie short wrapper for
Luxury
you.
choke.
I beg. But we don't put full stop on top today's episode of the ChookMouth Gang. And trust me, if you listen to this episode, you go grab 1 or 2. Abba.
man.
You don't hear say they put tie the short wrapper, come put water on top.
Ask them. I'm not enough for I know say there's dental condom.
They wear for mouth.
I'm not for I know woman condom before.
Papito, make I chip in this last one because you talk about condom, no this sweet. Because some people get that
Oral
thing to say condom, no this sweet. Okay, last one. May I just give you this one? You know water-based lubricants, right?
Yes.
Just 1 drop inside the condom before you wear it.
Okay, now you're going to make
And one thing where you feel do, you feel just chill the water-based lubricants or keep them for where you feel cold small, not for too long. Make it just cold, then you drop
drop
it
inside the condom.
inside.
That one.
Just 1 drop before you wear it.
Where the condom? Okay, so
Then come back next episode and testify.
That's all.
What's up? We want
assignment.
you.
Why they not
You want the rug go buy out?
Something will kill a man.
You want to go buy out after this episode?
All right. If very, very interesting. Trust me. You need to watch this one. Watch and wash them.
You guys.
Watch and wash them.
You guys.
Because hey, you go learn 1 or 2. You see that short wrapper? They do.
If
Buy a short wrapper. You say short wrapper? I shake a banza. You can hear.
Yeah.
Thank you very much
Thank
for
you so
coming.
much for having
So
me,
Matic
man.
Uzo, steady dropping wisdom. Thank you. My GSG.
Now we're going to use the condom. But me,
You are going to use.
yes. You don't go try them.
No, that short wrapper. Condom.
Now you go get it.
All right. Thank you so much. I mean, watch this one. Wash them. Yeah, tell
Share
somebody.
'em,
Share.
comment.
Every. ChookMouthGeng. Nothing serious. Just
Just
vibes.
vibes.
Thank you.